Want to grow your own food but not sure where to start? Choosing the right crops is the first step to a healthy, productive garden. Let's walk through some popular vegetables and how to decide what is best for your space and season. First, look at your garden's conditions. How much sunlight does it get? What is the soil like? Most veggies like full sun, but a few like lettuce and radish can handle some shades. If you're starting in spring, cool season crops are your friends. Think lettuce, radish, peas, onions, and garlic. These grow fast and don't mind cooler temperatures. Lettuce, great for beginners, grows quickly and doesn't need much space. Radish, one of the fastest, ready in just 3 or 4 weeks. Peas, love cooler weather and climb easily on a small trellis. Garlic and onion, plant early and let them take their time. Low maintenance and long lasting. Once the weather warms up, it's time for summer favorites like tomatoes, beans, cucumbers, and cabbage. Tomatoes needs a lot of sun and a bit of support. Start with a sturdy variety. Beans grow well in warm weather and enrich your soil with nitrogen. Cucumbers thrive with a space or a trellis. Keep the soil moist. Cabbage needs more room, but it's worth it. Just watch out for pests. When choosing crops, don't just think about what you like to eat. Rather, think about how plants support each other. For example, garlic helps protect tomatoes from pests. Beans and peas fix nitrogen to feed leafy greens. Avoid planting onions near beans. They simply don't get along. With the right mix of crops, you can harvest fresh, healthy food all season long, right from your own soil. Start simple, grow what you love, and learn as you go. If you want to stay updated on news, events, and initiatives, follow the Facebook page of 13 Plus Europe. See you there!